So the Pixel 9 series is coming soon, and last time we heard that the Tensor G4 is gonna be powerful and power efficient. Now some case maker renders of the Pixel 9 Pro in white finish coming in from Gizmo China, and you guys can see it surely is the final design. The camera module is thicker than the Pixel 8 or 7 series, and yes, we have a thermometer as well which you guys can use to scan body heat. We still have a small center hole punch selfie shooter, but the shocking change is frame is now all flat similar to the iPhone. There's gonna be high resolution, 120Hz high refresh rate, and all the top-notch hardware specifications. The massive design change is on the rear panel. We now have a Pixel Fold-like camera design which is unique and different. Finally, we have triple camera setup, that is main, ultra-wide, and a telephoto sensor. Shocking news coming in. This is your first look at the Pixel Fold 2 courtesy on leaks and smart pricks. Can be seen we have a brand new design, a huge jump from the 90s Pixel Fold design. So Google is using a squarish module with 4 cameras, and this is the best way to do it so that all cameras can switch quickly. There is an amazing white covered screen, and yes guys, the inner display got no to less border and the selfie shooter is under the display. So finally something on par with Samsung and OnePlus Fold. Best part is news coming in from Ishal Rahman says the Pixel Fold 2 is gonna use Tensor G4 and not the Tensor G3. So that is an amazing news, but it's gonna push the launch to late 2024. The Pixel 9 with Tensor G4 just got listed on Geekbench, and shockingly it is based on Exynos 2400. Got 1x Cortex X4, 3 Cortex A720 and 4 Cortex A520. Yeah, I'm sure Google is gonna introduce lots of AI features with this flagship, so it's gonna be powerful, that is for sure, but not something on par with the Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 flagship, and that is fine. So it looks like an amazing device. It's gonna cost $1,000 I guess, but we are months away from the official launch, so make sure to follow for all the leaks and news. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.